Hello loves, this is K.Hill from Loccessories.com, and I am coming on to Facebook Live, giving it a try, seeing what all the hype is about. But I decided to take you behind the scenes for a quick second and let you know that some new styles, a new collection of lock ties will be dropping soon. So keep an eye out for that on the website, and if you're on the email list, you'll receive an email notice when the styles drop. My email subscribers always get first dibs on any sales and promotions, so if you're not on the list, be sure to get on the VIP hot list over at Loccessories.com. But this is going to be quick. I just wanted to test out the Facebook Live and see how it works. You know, I'm not good at the social media, but I keep trying. So I hope you're doing well, having a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.